Yeah, makeup therapy. Me this, I me this. So not gonna see it before. Hey guys, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. You guys, this video is entitled Makeup Therapy. Because so many things have been going on in the world and people just stress out. People just all the way stress out, and I just want to bring you guys a video, like just some insights and ways that you guys can, you know, feel better about yourself, feel better about life. So you guys, I'm here, not going anywhere, but maybe just feel sad, maybe just feel down, and I have nowhere going. And yeah, makeup gets me happy, like it just put me in a mood, you understand? So makeup therapy is a video that I saw Ashley do, and I thought that it was so inspiring. It just put you in a mood. She was saying that when she's not recording and she does her makeup, it's therapeutic, and it definitely is therapeutic. You guys are gonna see where I'm coming from with this face and what is going on with it now. So yeah, it definitely put me in a good mood, and I hope this video will inspire you guys to just do something, whatever it is, even if it's not makeup, something that will put you in a positive mood, a good mood, just help you to feel better. Alright, so stay tuned for the video guys. Oh, and thank you so very much for clicking on this video. If you're new, thank you. If you're an old subscriber, thank you so very much for clicking and watching this video to the end. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share guys. Alright, so let's get into the makeup. Alright, so I have my wine here. Now the wine that I'm drinking, I have ice cubes in my wine. Yeah, I'm gonna put ice cubes in my wine because I don't like it to be all that potent, and I kind of like it watered down. So yeah, I'm gonna put ice cube in my wine. The wine that I'm drinking is a sweet red wine. I think it's called Yama something. It's from Argentina. I'll put a picture or something right here of the wine. But you guys, I bought it last night. Usually I would be drinking either flavored vodka or a flavored beer, like red stripe lemon or red stripe, sorry if you're Jamaican you know what I'm talking about, or I will be drinking Smirnoff, some Smirnoff something. Of late though, I've been loving the red stripe lemon stuff. So I've been buying that by the 6-pack, but I really don't buy a lot. I don't drink it a lot, to be honest. Like I'll drink one every 2 days or something like that. So I've decided to come off of the beer because I don't want it to make my belly worse than how it actually is. So I decided to try drinking wines now, especially red wine, because of the health benefits. I heard that it has some pretty good health benefits if you drink it occasionally. So last night I came up from country and I just did really feel kind of down, to be honest. So I went to Mega Mart and I bought a cheesecake, which I've been loving Mega Mart's cheesecake. I think they probably have one of the best cheesecakes. And I bought the wine. I wanted to talk to you guys about what has been going on. Like 2020 seems to be a real struggle for a lot of people. Like it doesn't matter who you are, how much money I have. It's like it has been a struggle, and it's really sad, to be honest. It's really sad because some persons are not able to handle stress, and I think as you get older as an adult, you have to find ways of coping with stress. I woke up this morning, went on my WhatsApp, and I saw the whole thing about Tamar Braxton and an alleged suicide attempt. And then I saw another thing from Nick Cannon where one of his really good friends committed suicide, and even Nick Cannon himself was basically saying that he's having suicidal thoughts, and he was saying that he's having suicidal thoughts. And you guys, these things are really not like, some people are really struggling with these things, and that is why it's extremely important that we be nice to people as much as we can, because you never know what somebody else might be going through. So try to be nice. I mean, the whole Tamar Braxton issue is really sad, because I always used to watch her on the reel, and you know, and I don't know, sometimes you can't really tell when people are going through stuff. So it's very important to be nice to people, say something kind to them, you know, in any way you can. Just be nice. You know, I'm not going to do no drastic makeup or anything like that. This is basically going to be a video where I just want to look better. Like, my face have been breaking out and all of that, and I just want a clean, nice canvas to work with. So I'll mostly be focusing on my face. Alright, so yeah, you guys, some people have been really struggling, celebrities and all. Everything that's going on in the world is not so cute right now. It's like a real struggle. People are going through stuff. Alright, so we just have to be nice, support each other, you know, just try to lift up each other as best as we can. So my prayer is going out to everybody who might be feeling down, not just the celebrities. We hear about their issue because they're in the media or the spotlight or whatever, but you have a lot of persons who are struggling, like internally. They're having mental health issues, and it's something that is real. I know for us, well, let me speak for myself. For me, I don't really think people focus a lot on mental health issues, and it's something that is real, you guys. It is so real, so real. So we're just here trying to feel better. I'm already starting to feel better because, yeah, I'm not see so much flaws in my face, so I'm already starting to feel better. But yeah, you have, whenever you're stressed out, you just have to find ways, whatever it is that you like to do. Find a hobby, something that will help you to cope in a stressful situation, whether it's a relationship, your job, whatever it is. You have to find ways to cope, to, you know, to release the stress. Whether it's going to the beach. For me, I love going to the beach, you guys. I love the water. It just relaxes me. I love doing my makeup. I will drink a glass of wine, or I'll drink a beer. Like, those stuff just relaxes me. So you basically have to find something that relieves your stress and just take your mind off of it. You know what's also good? Like meditation. I don't know if you guys into meditation, but I've been like doing it off late, and it just teaches you how to not crowd your mind. And sometimes it's not even you crowded your mind, you know, the thoughts just come, but it just teaches you how to just release thoughts that you don't want to come into your mind, or thoughts that you don't want to cloud your mind. So it helps. Meditation helps, and of course YouTube has everything. There are meditation videos that you can use, that you can watch on YouTube. They're really, really good. So just find whatever it is that will help you to not feel stressed out, or just will help you to unwind, to de-stress, you know, all of that good stuff. So I found my stuff, because you have to preserve yourself. You really have to preserve yourself, because self-preservation is key. You have to preserve yourself, right? And sometimes life can get really stressful. It doesn't matter if you have a lot of money or not, like life happens. As you guys can see in my last video that I was talking about what has been going on with me, life happens. All right, so just find your thing, whatever it is, find it. So yeah, you guys, as I said, this is just a really quick beat. It's like a flawless face beat, just to, you know, line the mood, just to make you feel cute and pretty and all these things. So that's what this video is about, just finding ways to not be so stressed out, finding ways to cope in life, basically. Guys, you know what I forgot to tell you guys, like the main thing that helps me, like sometimes I don't understand, you know, like my face is like the biggest thing that helps me to relieve stress. Like I don't know what I would do if I never have God, like if I never have a higher power to just call on to help. Like I don't know what I would do. I really don't know what I would do. My face is like super important to me, and that's one of the things that have really been helping me to cope. Yeah, my face. So prayer, sometimes that's all it is. That's all you need to do. Pray and ask the Lord to really help you to get through whatever situation you're going through, whatever it is that is you feel like you can't manage on your own. Just pray and ask God to help you through it. Trust me, it really does help. Why do we have to make this face when we I don't know why I have to make this face when I'm doing my my eyeliner, you guys. Just, I don't know, I just always end up making that face. So I'm going to take some powder and press into my brow area, because it kind of looks greasy to me, at least it looks greasy. So put some powder in that area. Right, you guys, so we're basically almost finishing now, because I just wanted my face to look, you know, like a bit more clean and put together. Yeah, that's what I wanted to happen, which that's exactly what's happening. So we're almost through, you guys. Just some blush to just add a little something to our cheekbones, a little color, yeah, to just brighten up our day. Can't see, you know, can't see none at all, not even for save my life, not even for save my life. So I'm gonna put on some lashes, and then I'm going to come back to you guys with my final thoughts. Alright, stay tuned, guys. Alright, you guys, so I'm back. The lashes are on. These lashes are from Shop Miss A. It's their foaming lashes that I've been absolutely loving. I can't do that for save my life either. But yeah, you guys, so I just added my lashes, added some lip gloss. The gloss that I use is my Fenty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fuzzy. So I just added that to my lips, and this is the completed look, you guys. That's it, you guys. That's it for makeup therapy. Please be safe. Don't go thinking anything negative. No negative thoughts as they come in. You just push them out of your mind. Alright, there's nothing that you can overcome with the strength that the Lord has given you to overcome. Alright, so that's it, you guys. Thank you so very much for watching. Be blessed and keep safe. Bye.